Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a rocket. We installed a new pump. We calibrated the expansion valves. We also did some work on the group head. Should get a really nice shot out of this guy. Nice quiet pump. There you go, the shot went right up to about 9 bars. I maybe didn't put quite enough in there. But anyway, it's a nice, cut it just a little tight. Nice strong pressure, nice crema. We're gonna go ahead and check the steam. Nice strong steam. Here's the water. Very good, you can hear the pump activating to refill tank. There you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.